Good morning, children. So, today we are going to start exercise 8.4. The first question is express as rupees using decimals. Now, you have to convert this 5 paisa into rupees and you have to express it as using decimals. First of all, you must be aware that 1 rupee has 100 paisa. Okay? Or one more thing, that whenever you have to convert the smaller unit into bigger, we always divide, and whenever we convert bigger unit into smaller, we always multiply. These two things you have to remember. So paisa is the smaller unit than rupees, right? So what we'll do, whenever we convert 1 paisa into rupee, we have to divide 1 by 100. So when we convert 5 paisa into rupees, so we have to divide 5 by 100. Now as in the denominator it is 100, we have to convert it into decimal. Look, here we have 2 zeros. So what we'll do, we have to put decimal before 2 digits. Here I have only 5, that is single digit. How can I make it a 2-digit number? By putting 0 just before it. Now this is a 2-digit number. So now how I'll put decimal? 1, 2, just before 2 digits. Here I'll put the decimal. 0.05 is the answer. 75 paisa. This is a relation between paisa and rupee. How can we convert 1 paisa into rupee? So 75 पैसा को convert करने के लिए बेटा you will divide 75 by 100. So now you have to convert it into decimals. Here we have 2 zeros, so in the numerator I'll put decimal before 2 digits. 1, 2. Here I'll put decimal. So my answer will become rupees 0.75. Next is 20 paisa. In 1 paisa we have, again if we want to convert 1 paisa into rupee, so I have to divide 1 by 100. For 20 paisa, what I will do, I will divide 20 by 100. Either you can reduce or you can directly put decimal like this. 20 by 100 is equals to, here we have 2 digits, so I have to put decimal before 2 digits. Yani 1, 2. Here I have to put decimal. So answer will be rupees 0.20. Now D part, 50 rupees and 90 paisa. So I can directly write the answer rupees 50.90, right? Because we put decimal to separate rupees from paisa. Or you can do like this, rupees 50 plus 90 paisa. Rupees 50 I'll write as it is because it is already in rupees, and to convert 90 paisa into rupees I'll divide 90 by 100. So now convert it into decimals. Rupees 50 plus rupees 0.90, and when you will add these two you'll get rupees 50 and 90 paisa. 725 paisa. Again 725 divided by 100. So you have to put decimal before 2 digits as there are 2 zeros. So 1, 2. Here you will put decimal. So rupees 7 and 25 paisa will be answer. In the second question, express as meters using decimals. Now we have to express in meter, and the questions are given in centimeters. So centimeter is the smaller unit than meter, so we will divide and divide by 100. अगर आपको 1 सेंटीमीटर को convert करना है, you'll divide 1 by 100. So ऐसे 15 सेंटीमीटर को convert करना है तो 15 by 100. And how you will put decimal? As there are 2 digits in the denominator, 2 zeros in the denominator, so I'll put decimal before 2 digits. And as we know कि 1 मीटर में हमारे पास 100 सेंटीमीटर्स होते हैं बेटा. तो अगर आपको 1 सेंटीमीटर को कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको 1 को 100 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मीटर. सो सेम वे 15 सेंटीमीटर को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 15 को 100 से डिवाइड, देन कन्वर्ट इट इनटू डेसिमल. 6 सेंटीमीटर को कन्वर्ट करना है बेटा 6 by 100, एंड नाउ पुट डेसिमल्स, कन्वर्ट इट इनटू डेसिमल नंबर. Here we have 2 zeros, but here I have only single digit. So what I will do, I'll put 0 before 6 to make it 2-digit number. Now I have to put decimal here before 2 digits. So 0.06 meter is answer. 2 meter and 45 centimeter. Write 2 meter as it is, and 45 plus 45 centimeter. It is already in meter, no need to convert. You have to convert this 45 centimeter into meter. Now divide 45 by 100. convert it into decimal, you will get 0.45 meter. So 2 plus 0.45 meter, you will get 2.45 meter. 9 meter and 7 centimeter. It is 9 is already in meter, no need to convert it. We have to convert 7 centimeter into meters by dividing 7 by 100. So 9 meter plus. Now here we have two zeros, so I have to put decimal before two digits. So what I will do, I will put a 0. So 0.07. Answer will be 9.07 meter. 419 centimeter divided by 100. What you will get? 4.19 meter. Converted into decimals. Express as centimeters. Third question. Millimeter is there in the question. Now millimeter is smaller than centimeter, so we have to divide. But always remember कि 1 centimeter में 10 millimeters होते हैं बेटा. Now what we have to do? We have to convert a millimeter into centimeter, so we will divide. Okay, this is the relation. So 5 millimeter, 5 will be divided by 10. As there is 1 0, so I have to put decimal before one digit. So 0.5 centimeter is answer. 60 millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. 60 millimeter is equal to 60 by 10. 0 to 0 cut, so 6 centimeter is answer. 164 millimeter. 164 will be divided by 10. Here is 1 0, so you will put decimal before one digit. 16.4 centimeter. 9 centimeter plus 8 by 10 centimeter. Here 9 centimeter, there is no need to convert, it is already in centimeter. We have to convert 8 millimeter into centimeter, so I will divide 8 by 10. So 8 by 10, when you convert this fraction into decimal, you will get 0.8, right? And 9 plus 0.8, you will get 9.8. 93 millimeters. Again 93 divided by 10, and when you convert this fraction into decimal, you will get 9.3 centimeters.